This is my Rocket 50 challenge video. I'm Carl and I help new YouTubers build and grow a profitable YouTube channel. My motivation to win the Rocket 50 challenge is I'm competitive by nature. I love leaderboards and I love working to be at the top of the leaderboard. And I think it's going to be really fun to be in a community and an environment where I'm around other creators and we can banter and create the gamification in the competition and challenge around Rocket 50. I'm committing to the Rocket 50 challenge because I want to start publishing videos consistently again on our YouTube channel so that we can deliver value to new YouTubers, help inspire them to start publishing more videos, to grow their YouTube channel and get more people to come and join our YouTube community on Skool. How will I change as a person to win? I'm going to stay focused on creating the most valuable videos that help people solve problems that are meaningful to them. The 3 friends that I want to challenge to come and join the Rocket 50 competition and get up on that leaderboard is Lenny, Gibbo, and Ballsy. I want you guys to comment down below with a thumbs up to let me know that you're in and you're going to start making videos, because I know how valuable your knowledge and experience is, and I know how many people you can help. I want you guys to start making videos with us. Comment with that thumbs up.